Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing.
Happy holidays, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties. Our current backdrop is from our DIY holiday decorations video. Today, we're gonna spend some time doing some of my favorite things. Checking out miniatures. This is Mini Brands Series 4 with those frozen moment minis. I often find these difficult to open, so I use this little nail tool to save my nails. Today, I don't think we're searching for anything. We're just gonna enjoy the mini brand experience. And our first one is a box of giant Otter Pops. Our second one is a bottle of juicy juice. I love the juice bottles. I think this one has the collector's guide in it. Yes. Did we get any money? Did we get any money? No. But we got a bag of kisses. And this is shaving cream, I think. And our last one is... it's another drink. I see another food thumbnail in my future.
I thought you didn't like food thumbnails. If you don't want it, there are other dolls that will be happy to take it.
No, it's mine. I have learned to appreciate them. Call it job security. Toy Mini Brands Series 2. Oh man. There have been so many different types of mini brands this year, and I'm loving it. We got Build-A-Bear. Oh, now that's gonna be really cute under the Christmas tree. Do y'all remember My World from a few years back? They also had a Build-A-Bear pack. It was by Jack's Pacific, and this whole line also had a bunch of branded minis that were the perfect size for the dollhouse. Their clothes just snapped on, and now we have 2 sizes of Build-A-Bear for the dolls.
How cute is that? And why are we opening toys outside? Let's go in. It's cold. And welcome to my Hairy Christmas special. Wait, I thought this was a life on the shelf.
I thought she was opening mini brands. Why must we label everything? Just let the chaos happen. Are you serious? Jazz is getting the Christmas special? And did she say Harry or Mary? While they're over there complaining about all that, we got a lion cub. I'm loving these. And here we have a box for a chocolate donut pool floaty. And this is Angelica from Rugrats. This one is designed to come out of the box. Love that. This is our last one for this capsule. It's Potions Slime Surprise.
More presents for me. But you know what would be really nice? If I had more articulation so I can hold them without dropping them.
Before we go any further, we have to do a head swap. Jazz is an Integrity Toys adult collector doll. However, I need more articulation, so we're gonna put her on a made-to-move body. The problem is that she is a difficult skin tone to match, but it has to be done. So everyone, say it with me, off with her head. We might as well upgrade Caroline because she's got bobblehead, and Grandma. Integrity Toy dolls have pretty hard heads and they have eyelashes, so doing a head swap can be a little risky. I place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water until the head is soft enough to be removed. Place it onto the new body, and now Jazz has more articulation. And the color match isn't terrible. Do you like her new outfit? It's from UK Barbie Couture's Etsy shop. I just have to pull off her head so she can get a new body for Christmas. There you go, Grandma. Grandma's hair got a little messed up during the swap, and it's not a perfect color match, but it's a small price to pay for those elbows. And finally, after years, Caroline is no longer a bobblehead.
Okay, but back to me. Now that I'm married, I have to find Donnie the perfect Christmas present. Maybe a broom. Because honestly, he sheds like crazy.
Maybe we'll find something with mini fashion. We made our first mini fashion video in January of this year. Can you believe it's been almost a year already? And there are a few purses we haven't found yet, so I thought we'd give it a try today. However, this is a double. I get this purse all the time. And our accessories are a sticker, a wallet, a brush, and a perfume bottle. This is the purse that I still need. So let's give it one more try. And then I'm gonna call it quits on series 1. So let's see, is this it? No, it's an animal print bag. We do have this one already. And the accessories are a double sticker, a double wallet, sunglasses, and a purple perfume bottle.
Love the leopard print, but Donnie's more of a dog person. What else you got?
What about Mini Fashion Series 2? That pink purse that I've been searching for and found comes in 2 shades of pink. So I wouldn't mind having another one. However, this is not it, but it is a new purse for me. It's velvet with all these chains and there's a zipper at the top that can open. What about the accessories? We got a sticker of another bag that I want, a jar of cream in a different color, whatever this is in black, and a little box with a mini fashion ring inside.
Totally not helpful.
Okay, let's try again. There's gotta be something that we can use as a Christmas present for Donnie. Here we have a green bag. All right, relax, Toya. Relax, relax. We also got a sticker, a bracelet, a drink, and a gold-colored watch.
A watch could be nice, but did Donnie say he was allergic to gold or to silver?
Okay then, what about Foodie Mini Brands? We won't have any gold or silver. Well, unless you get one of the super rare ones. Jazz has us going through pretty much all the mini brands. And this is the straw dispenser? Yep, we're not gonna give that as a gift. This feels like a bag. I got feelings about the bags. I'm always afraid I'm gonna rip them. Yep, it's a Hardee's bag. So far, nothing Christmas worthy. Here we have a drink from Hard Rock Cafe. And this is ribs. I just gave away a whole bunch of these, and now the universe is giving me more. And our last one is a sub. Foot-long steak and cheese. Let's try again, because I have a feeling that Jazz would want us to keep looking. This is a Sonic hamburger. Loving all of those details. Not sure if this could be a Christmas present though. Or maybe it could. I don't know Donnie that well. Here we have another sub. Crispy fries. Ooh, cool. I don't think I have this one. Is that ginger? And our last one is a soda machine.
I'll take that, but not for Donnie. Keep looking.
Look, this is getting expensive. I'm gonna go check the mail. Aw, we got a new holiday card from Bella Bella Doll on Instagram. This is probably one of my favorite doll community traditions. I also got a new dress from UK Barbie Couture on Etsy from the Cutout Christmas doll event. There are so many parties in the doll community. I'm always looking for something to wear. Oh yeah, I can totally wear this to the Prima Donna Sleigh Day and the Barbie Model Mayhem concert. Check out this dress. It has a cape, a train in the back, and little crystals. I wonder if I can get something similar in black so I can cosplay as Morticia Addams. Okay, I'm in a better mood now. maybe Jazz will find the perfect present with Mini Brands Disney Store Edition Series 2. I still have a few Disney princesses I'm looking for, so hopefully today will be the day. I've been having pretty good luck lately. Well, you know, luck does run out. But it's the holidays, so we're gonna be merry and bright as we get another box. Moving right along, here is Toy Box Thor. I think this is a new one. For me, anyway. Yes! We got Moana! I told y'all my luck was changing. And our last one is
Another set of doubles. Aw, man. I was hoping for a tennis ball or a frisbee. Donnie loves to play catch.
Jazz, I'm home.
Oh no, it's Donnie. What do I do? This is our first Christmas together as a married couple and I want it to be special. Gold watch or silver watch? Let's go silver. Merry Christmas, honey.
Aw, Jazz, you didn't have to do that. A silver watch? Ouch!
Oh no, it burned you.
Jazz, there's something I have to tell you.
I just wanted our first Christmas to be special.
Jazz,
Instead, I burn you with a watch.
Jazz, it's not your fault.
Of course it is, Donnie. I gave you the watch.
Jazz, I'm a werewolf.
I ruined Christmas. Wait, what?
Jazz, I'm a werewolf. See?
Are you telling me I didn't marry a mere mortal?
No, and I should have told you sooner. Are you upset?
Am I upset? This is the best Christmas ever! Oh, come on. Like we didn't all see that coming.
And to celebrate the happy couple, Elite Doll World on Etsy has given them a little gift. His and her holiday outfits. And the pink mini fashion purse. Aw, that is so sweet. I told y'all my luck was changing. Talk about luck. Jazz gets her happily ever after. She's pretty much been the villain the entire series.
Hey, ever since I talked to my other self, I've been good. I like to think of this as a redemption story.
And that's just another day of random doll stuff. Thank you for joining us for another random doll stuff video. Probably our most random one yet. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye! Happy holidays! And that's a wrap.
Yes, every time the